This property is one of a kind. There are over 50 acres. 50! There are trails throughout. Plus, the house is under 10 years old, and it's absolutely beautiful. Look at these incredible tall ceilings and huge windows. The views are beautiful. You can't make it out right now, but there's an ocean view. These private balconies off the bedrooms are so darling. Plus the zoning is special use, so there's lots of possibilities. So I'm gonna be here this Sunday holding an open house from 12 to 3. Be sure to come by. I'll leave the description down below. And you're really not gonna wanna miss this one. This one-of-a-kind place, it's not gonna last long.